Squeeze. Squeeze. Examples. I always squeeze some lemon juice into my water in the morning. When I hug my friend, I like to give them a little squeeze. Press. Press. Examples. Press the power button to turn on the TV. Remember to press the elevator button for your floor. Broken. Broken. Examples. The glass fell and broke into tiny pieces on the floor. My phone screen is broken, so I need to get it fixed. Crumple. Crumple. Crumpled paper. Crumpled paper. Examples. Don't crumple the paper, we might need it later. He crumpled his shirt by shoving it into his bag. Smash. Smash.
To break something violently and noisily into many pieces.
Examples. Be careful not to smash the glass while washing it. The kids love to smash their toy cars together for fun. Crack. Crack. Examples. 1. If you drop that glass, it might crack or even shatter. The old vase had a crack in it, so we had to be careful when handling it. Scratch. Scratch. Crush. Crush.
To break something into very small pieces or a powder.
Examples. I need to crush the spices into a fine powder for the recipe. She used a blender to crush the coffee beans into powder. Chipped. Chipped.
To break a small piece off the edge or surface of something.
Examples. Be careful with that mug, it's chipped on the side. I accidentally chipped the edge of my phone screen.